My fellow Indians, football fans across our nation, and members of the sporting fraternity, my warm greetings to you all. As we gather for the 135th edition of Indian Oil Durand Cup, I wish to place on record my sincere appreciation to the Government of West Bengal for its unwavering partnership in nurturing this historic tournament. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to the governments of Assam, Meghalaya, Jharkhand and Manipur for their invaluable support in hosting this year's edition. Their commitment reflects the strength of cooperation between the armed forces and the civil administration in promoting sports and serving our communities. The significance of the Durand Cup was reaffirmed earlier this month when the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, graciously unveiled the tournament trophies at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It was a befitting tribute to a competition that occupies a unique place in India's sporting heritage. For well over a century, the Indian Army has had the privilege of organizing the Durand Cup on behalf of the Indian Armed Forces. This responsibility extends beyond organizing a football tournament. It rather reflects our belief that the qualities which define a soldier, discipline, teamwork, resilience, integrity, and selfless service are equally the foundations of sporting excellence. I welcome all the participating teams, including the Defenders FC of the Sri Lankan Armed Forces and the 7 teams that are making their debut in the Durand Cup. Working in close partnership with the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force, our host state governments and stakeholders, we remain committed to ensuring that the Durand Cup continues to grow in stature and reach. The Northeast holds a special place in Indian football. Its rich footballing culture, exceptional talent, and passionate supporters have made it one of the strongest pillars of the game in our country. As the Durand Cup continues to unite the armed forces and civil society, players and supporters in a shared celebration of excellence, camaraderie and national pride, I invite football lovers across the country to join us in celebrating this remarkable tournament. I wish every participating team the very best. May the spirit of fair play prevail, and may the beautiful game continue to unite us all. Jai Hind.